Okay, so now that you can see that those bearings are in there and there's lots of grease packed around them so they're real tight, what you're going to do is slip this in there very carefully. Don't forget your O-ring. What you want to do is just get it to where it feels right and then just bump it in there. Then once it's in, you're going to take this adapter, line it up, start your bolts, and then slowly crank it in a star pattern. What I would suggest is put a little bit of silicone on these RTV, because all of the holes in this transfer case are through holes, so they will weep.